do that, shorty. Come here, can you do something for me? I like the way you're moving, girl. Show me how you do that, girl. I like the way you do that, shorty. Come here, can you do something for me? I can't stand here and watch her dance. She got me coming out of my pants, and I don't wanna miss my chance to jump on her. If I could get her out of here, I would. I've never seen a girl move that good, and it's something telling me I should get low. I'm in a 2006 brand new wagon, looking for a diva to handle the dragon. And even if it's two, I'ma move in and bag 'em. Make sure I'm strapped, keep the ooze in the magnum. Yeah, the gun too, but I'm talking about the condom. They following me home with my dog right behind them. Have you ever seen her ass clap on a stallion of a bad bitch, half black and Italian? I don't know if she likes me or my medallion. Think I give a fuck? I'm just trying to get a nut. I don't need no one to build my self-esteem up. I'm fresh out the hood, fuck it, it's all good. Now you can use me, cause I'ma use you. For menage a trois, you know the usual. And if you do me, maybe I'll do you a favor and walk you outside, right? I can't stand here and watch her dance. She got me coming out of my pants, and I don't wanna miss my chance to jump on her. If I could get her out of here, I would. I've never seen a girl move that good, and it's something telling me I should get low.
Give me some room. I'm about to roll through with a bag of boom boom. It's never too soon, so what is high noon? See if I twist it, you miss it, see I'm a tycoon. I'm too gone, I'm too gone. When I hit the gas, sounding like an H-bomb. It says some double OP, bitch, you better know. She said pop the clutch, so I let it go. All you see is smoke, all I do is smoke. Burn the blunt, burn the rubber, now we all choke. Try to be discreet, don't try to run at me. Should've checked my 911 LB pedigree. Ain't no catching up, gotta let it be. And if you try to blink, dust is all you ever see. Raven, where you at? You in the valley heat? Yeah. Ain't misbehaving, big Snoop and Raven.
I can't stand here and watch her dance. She got me coming out of my pants, and I don't wanna miss my chance to jump on her. If I could get her out of here, I would. I've never seen a girl move that good, and it's something telling me I should get low. Shorty looks like she's dating a fashion designer. Damn, she musta got that from her mama. You know me, somewhere in the back with a llama. Case one of these cats with the drama, I'ma get a little close to her mom, looks so sweet. She remind me a lot of Bo, they won't meet. Little bird nigga try to holler, they won't speak. You be writing the phone number down, they won't keep. Let me get her, I have her burning haze all week, giving me wop to the music that plays on beat. Yeah, I'm so street, I'm so cheap, I'm so fly, but you already know that I going all around the world, they don't know that guy. But little man gon' talk till I close that eye. He just mad he ain't got the kind of clothes I buy, or ride in a UFO I drive. I can't stand here and watch her dance. She got me coming out of my pants, and I don't wanna miss my chance to jump on her. If I could get her out of here, I would. I've never seen a girl move that good, and it's something telling me I should get low.
Сюда я, конечно, ходил с палаткой и даже с надувным матрасом. У меня было много летних сезонов, таких конкретно данная локация. Сегодня 6 июля 2025 года классная у меня прогулка сюда. Вот и другие озера открываются. И как видно, в этом году они без снега. том году было аномально видеть, что большая лавина на них сошла, и все они под снегом.